This is from 1991. One must remember that the Kaaba is a very ancient building, which still remains under heavy use. You could see the stones in the Kaaba have started to weaken due to the aging. By 1996, the humidity, fungi and white ants had affected the Kaaba and cracks had appeared. It was decided that the Kaaba should be repaired. A white wooden screen surrounding the Kaaba was erected. Then ceiling of the Kaaba was demolished, and the pillars supporting it were shifted to Al-Azhar Museum in Makkah, as these parts were subject to damage beyond repair due to woodworms, fungi and humidity. Then the plaster covering all the surfaces of the walls were removed, and it was found that the traditional mortar mixture had lost its cohesiveness. Therefore, all the stones were removed, cleansed, disinfected and refitted to their original positions, with mortar better suited to the purpose of the new style of construction. The foundation of the Kaaba was left untouched, as it has remained strong to this day, since the day Kaaba was built in antiquity. This is the newer look of the Kaaba after the historic repair.